A bold and innovative crossover, the Renault Austral. The latest entry in the compact crossover market, the Renault Austral, is an attention grabber. With a commitment to both style and eco-friendly performance, it stands out from its competitors. In this review, we will delve into the key aspects that make this vehicle a top contender. Aesthetically, the Austral features a futuristic and daring design. Its dynamic silhouette showcases sharp lines and an assertive stance, while the expressive LED headlamps and eye-catching taillights guarantee that it won't go unnoticed. This car's exterior is a testament to Renault's dedication to creating visually appealing vehicles. Innovation is a key aspect of the Austral, which boasts cutting-edge features such as a fully digital instrument cluster, a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen, and advanced driver assistance systems. The user-friendly infotainment system ensures that drivers can access important information and entertainment options with ease. Under the hood, an eco-friendly hybrid powertrain takes center stage. The turbocharged gasoline engine works in tandem with an electric motor, striking a balance between power and efficiency. With a combined output exceeding 200 horsepower, the vehicle provides a spirited driving experience without compromising fuel economy. The Austral excels in both handling and ride comfort. Its finely tuned suspension ensures a smooth and composed ride, even on less than perfect surfaces. Precise and well-weighted steering makes the car agile and easy to maneuver in tight spaces, while the all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction under various driving conditions. Renault's commitment to safety is evident in the Austral's extensive list of advanced safety features. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These systems work in harmony to offer drivers an extra layer of protection and peace of mind. Inside, passengers are treated to a comfortable and luxurious experience. The use of high-quality materials combined with a modern, refined aesthetic creates an ambience typically found in more expensive models. Space is abundant, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, and the cargo capacity is generous for the compact crossover segment. The Renault Austral is a well-rounded and innovative compact crossover that caters to a diverse range of buyers. Its striking design, comfortable interior, state-of-the-art technology, and eco-conscious performance make it a compelling choice for those seeking a stylish, sustainable, and practical vehicle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.